Okay, so in this last video, we're going to talk about how to share photos on Facebook. Now, I know you don't love Facebook, but it is where a lot of people are, and it's one of the #1 ways to share photos. Because as soon as you publish them there, your 150 friends are seeing them, and you have a lot of relatives that you want to see your photos. So how do we do this? We go to facebook.com, and then from there, we're going to go to your Facebook page. And then we're going to click Create Post, and we're going to use the photo video tool to upload pictures. Okay, so facebook.com. You do happen to be logged in, so that's helpful. And then let's go to your page. You could actually start uploading right from here, but I want you to go to your page to see it. So go to Wilbur Ted Cleaves. That might remind you what all you uploaded last time you were here. So here were some things you uploaded previously. Just kind of checking so that I make sure I don't re-upload some of these. Okay. Okay, so how do we do this? We go to Create Post and then Photo Video. You could probably also click that as well, but I'm going to click this Photo Video button right here. I'm going to click it again. Okay, it's just taking a second. Okay, so then it wants you to navigate to the files that you would like to include. And I'm gonna pick a couple of pictures. Let's do these. So the way I did that was I clicked the first one, I left click that, and then I hit the shift key. I'm holding the shift key on the computer, and now I'm clicking again. And that lets me select like 8 pictures. And I'm gonna go ahead and open those and put them up there. Now the way I did that, that's kind of random. If you're putting things on Facebook, you probably want to um, you know, determine what the pictures actually are before you just shoot them up there, because you don't know what they are. But these, I can see all of these and tell that they have not been put up yet already, because I've been working on this today. So that was a little bit uncareful, but I see they're all fine pictures. So I'm going to hit share. You could say something about the photos up there. And then once these photos are up in Facebook, you can click on, I don't know who that is. I'm going to go ahead and remove that one if I can. Options. I'm going to delete that photo. That may be David. I can't tell. It's probably David. So you can go into any folder, any photo, and click add description, and then you can add you can tag people if you want, like Mimi. I'm gonna tag myself. You could put the town if you want. This is extra stuff. You don't even have to do this. Click done editing on that one. Go to the next button. You can add a description. This one, if you type the names of people like David, your friends on Facebook, then you can select that. I'm going to put a comma. Tad, select that. Now that's tagging him. And Kim. And this was taken in Corpus Christi. All right, done editing. I don't know who that is. I think you think it's Lauren. I'm going to tag it. And I'm just going to say done editing because I don't know when that was or where. That's David. Bulger. Corpus Christi. Margaret. I'm going to tag Kim. Done. And let's see what else we've got. Okay, so we've done all that. So all of those are up on Facebook now and ready for people to start liking and commenting on them. Here you can see your previous photos you've put up. You've got 8 likes already. Up here you've got 12. This one that I first put up's got 11 or so, 13. Here you got 23. So you can see people do look at these as they come on Facebook. Actually, I'm going to tag Lauren on that one too. Let's see. Edit. I'm going to add Lauren in that one. She'll enjoy that. Lauren and Tad. I'm going to tag several people who will be thrilled by this picture. And Donna David. I think that's the big people. Okay, done. All right, so we'll close that. And that's how you put it on Facebook. It's pretty cool. And on Facebook, by the way, you've got photos, so you can actually go look at all the photos that you have uploaded, including the ones we just uploaded, but also past ones that you've uploaded. All right, that's Facebook.